Hello and welcome to another rowing coaching video. Thanks for tuning in. I haven't posted a video in about a month or so. So you might be wondering, what have I been getting up to? And what I've been getting up to is designing a database to help coach athletes and manage athletes, and the athletes can track their progress. So I'm here with a quick demo to show you everything I've done. Very excited about it. So what the screen you're seeing right now is the home screen for a coach. And so the first thing you would do is select an athlete to work with. So I like to work with my own schedule. So you click the submit button, and up comes the workout plan that I have in my system. This is not a full workout plan, it's just an example to show you how this all works. And so what I've got is the date of each workout, what type of workout it is, the title of the workout, how much work you're doing, what my target split is. So what I can do is set the system up to know what my 2K split is, and then it works out from my 2K split what the target split is. So let's say I wanted to add a workout to my schedule. I've got all these workouts here that I've uploaded, and I'm continuing to put more in as I get more creative and get more ideas. But let's say I want to put let's see here. Let's put 3 by 20 minute UT2 in there. And let's say I want to do that tomorrow. Then I've got the date, I've got the workout set, and I click add this workout, and it's going to go ahead and add that. So what I've got at this particular point in time is a steady state. What is it, 3 by 20? Here it is, 3 by 20 minutes on the 19th, and it's worked out my split, and there it is. So if I wanted to download the actual workout, and I could click on the PDF button, and it would go ahead and download in a few short seconds what that workout is. So it's currently still downloading. There it is. And I can click on that, and sure enough, it's going to be this is my particular workout. So it's thrown a PDF at me and give me some instructions on rest time between each piece, and I'm going to be building and learning how, putting in more workouts and more detail as I go. But let's say I didn't want to do the 3 by 20 minutes and I wanted to take up the schedule. I could delete it, and a few seconds later it's going to be actually removed from my schedule. So now I don't have a 3 by 20 minute on that day. Or I can also download all this in Excel. So you click on that, and it's kind of like an Excel export. And there's Excel, and that's pretty much how that works. I can also do the same and get it in a PDF if I want. So this gets me my whole schedule in a PDF. So let's go ahead and download that. And there it is. There's my whole workout plan, and that's all that's in there right now. But obviously there would be more if I had fully fleshed out the athlete's training plan. And so what if I want to add a new workout? So we've got all these workouts right here right now. So I've got about 30 workouts in there, but I'm always thinking and reading and learning about new workouts. So what if I want to do is I add a new workout. I click add a new workout, and sure enough, I can put the type of workout, the energy zone it is, UT2, whatever, the title of the workout. In here I can put some rich text, so I can include a table if I've got special protocols, different splits to pull at different time intervals, and then work time, the number of repetitions, and then down here, what's the level of intensity. So if I'm doing anaerobic work, maybe the intensity is 9 or 10. If I'm doing a steady state, maybe it's more like a 6 or a 5 or something like that. And so really that's the coaching end of things. So managing athletes is that end, and then on the athlete side, what you do when you log in is you get this main menu, which gives you your name, your age, and you put all these variables in, and it's got my 2,000 meter split, my max heart rate. So let's say I do a max heart rate test and figure out what my max heart rate is. I can plug that in, and then my resting heart rate in the morning. And what we've got here is upcoming workout. So what I'm doing now is, if I'm the athlete, the coach has designed a workout for me, and this is my upcoming schedule. And again, you can download the PDF or the Excel of this. And let's say, you know, for example, I did the 5 by 10 minutes. I can go ahead and edit that, and that will take me to this. And if I didn't do it on that date, I could easily change the date right here, but we'll leave it for today. And then it tells me what my target split for that workout is. But let's say I actually rode, you know, 1 minute 57.5 for that training log. Felt okay, not too bad. So there's some information, the number of calories that I burned. So I burned 1,000 calories in that workout. I rode, I don't know, 15.5k, and my average heart rate for that was 160. So I've got that all in the system, and I can go ahead and submit that, and that goes into the database as a record. And you know, that's been added to the database for historical purposes and my review purposes. The other thing is the past workouts. When you've done workouts, this looks for all those ones that are a day old. And if I wanted to compare between two workouts, let's say I've got a 60-minute steady state and I want to work out, okay, how do I compare to myself in a previous workout? I can click on here, and that gives me the workout history for this. So on the 16th I did a 201, on the 14th I did a 159.1. Yay, I'm improving at a great rate. And that just helps me at a click of a button compare and see how's my progress going. And that's quite handy. And then finally, workout benchmarks. So this is sort of based off of this heart rate, resting heart rate. In an ideal world, we'd do some lactate testing and different intensities and measure that and figure out, well, where's your UT2 zone, where's your UT1 zone, when do we start becoming in the AT zone? But you know, I don't have access to that on every athlete, and so this does some math and figures out, well, what's your sort of split that you should be pulling in that UT2 zone. What's your 2K split? What's your 6K split based off your 2K split? So it just gives you some information on, you know, what heart rate zone you should be training in, and that's really helpful over time as you're doing the meters, so you don't overdo it, and you're training in the right zone, you're training effectively. And so that's the athlete side of things. This is version 1. I have plans to add graphs and statistical analysis. So if you had a whole team of athletes and you wanted to figure out, well, is our 2K getting better as a team, and how much of a percentage is our 2K getting better? You know, a click of a button, you could see all your athletes and figure out, okay, we're getting, you know, that last test over the last month, we made a 0.5% improvement over time. So you can really keep your finger on the pulse of the training, see if it's working. And really just this helps with the bookkeeping system and tries to save a bit of time on the coach's end, so you spend more time planning workouts rather than actually writing the whole plan. And so, you know, it's quite a helpful tool. I had a lot of fun building this. I'm excited to see where it can go, and I'm certainly going to help the athletes that I coach keep track of what's going on. The system actually also just emails me every night at 10:30, and it gives me a daily digest of the splits and the workouts that the athletes in the system have done and have recorded. So that way I get my finger. I'm not checking, 5 or 6 or 10 or 15 different Excel spreadsheets to figure out what's going on. I've got it at a click of a button, and I can see if things are going well and monitor that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Rowing Coaching on YouTube. I've put a link to the blog on this and the website that accompanies this YouTube channel in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you've made it this far and you have any feedback, or you think there's something I need to add to this, I'm all ears. This is version number 1. I'm excited to see where it's going to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.